Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we will be doing another quiz. In a moment, I will explain how the quiz works, so pay attention to the dialogue, make notes, and good luck. The quiz has been split into 3 sections. Firstly, you will hear a dialogue between 2 people. Listen to it carefully in order to find the correct answer to the question. At the end of the video, we will reveal the answer. Secondly, a question will then appear on your screen. And finally, you will see the hints. You only need to choose the correct answer. Let's begin.
Hello, could I book a ticket to Euston, please?
When would you like to go?
I would like to get the 1930 train, please.
Unfortunately, there are no tickets available for that train. I could book your tickets for tomorrow.
I suppose I don't really have a choice.
When would you like to go?
On the first train.
OK, that is all booked for you.
Thank you.
Which day did James buy tickets for? I'll give you only 10 seconds to think. Same day? Next day? Following week? 13th of July? James bought tickets for the next day. Yes! There weren't any tickets available for the same day, so James had to buy tickets for the next day. Comment down below to let us know which words you want us to describe next. That's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye!